Boom! What's up, everybody? My name is Kim Skywell, and yesterday I hit an important milestone on this YouTube channel. I reached 100 subscribers, and I want to thank each and every one of you for helping me make that. So now the next step is to reach 150, so keep hitting that subscribe button, leave comments down below, and make sure you press that notification bell as well. That way you get posted or notified every time I upload new content. So I want to celebrate this by giving you my two of my favorite companion apps to Affinity Photo. Even though Affinity Photo is a great photo retouching app, it's not perfect and it needs a couple of things which I don't understand how they haven't implemented them already. But that's not for me to understand, I guess. So if you do nighttime photography, astrophotography, or you do panoramas, that sort of stuff where you need to photo merge or stack photos, and you really want to have the same starting point on all those photos. So what you normally do is you edit one photo, and if you ever used Lightroom or Adobe Camera Raw, you edit one and then you just copy those edits over to all the other photos in that series. There is no good way of doing this in the raw converter of Affinity Photo, which drives me nuts. Because in Affinity Photo, you would have to open each and every one image, single image, and make the same adjustments, and that takes forever. So, after a lot of researching, I managed to find Luminar 3, the 2018 edition, which does a really good job with this, and you can get it for free. So check out the link in the description for that. You will go to the German Luminar site and download it from there, and it works perfectly. So that works just like Lightroom, but you get it for free, and I'm a huge fan of free stuff, so check that out. And if you do nighttime photography, astrophotography, and you want to reduce noise in your images, you have to try Sequator. I believe that's how you pronounce it, but that's probably the best stacker software to reduce noise that I have found. It is fantastic. So go check that out. There will be a link in the description for that too. And I will make separate videos on how you use these programs. But for now, Sequator will remain free. You can give donations if you like it. And Luminar 3, I'm not sure how long that will be free, so I suggest if you want to try it out and get a freebie, go take it right now. Again, if you like this, please help me with subscribing to my channel and make us grow, and I'll see you all inside. Cool, guys. So I reached a milestone, 100 subscribers, which is great. So now next milestone is getting to that 150 subscribers. And because of this, I figured I'll give you guys some of my, or two of my favorite companions for Affinity Photo, because as great as Affinity Photo is, it still lacks a few things. And right now you can get Luminar 3, the 2018 version of it, for free, and I'm gonna post the links down in the description as well. And that is awesome for doing something that Affinity Photo cannot do, and that is batch editing. So like if you ever used Adobe Camera Raw or Lightroom, you could edit one image and then just copy the edits over to the rest of your images, which is highly sought after when you're doing panoramas or photo stacking, astrophotography, that sort of stuff. So if you head on over to the Skylum website, this is the German one, and this is their freebie. All you have to do, type in your name, your email address. You don't even have to tell them, let them email you, say yes, I want to get all these the information. You just click this green button. It takes a couple of seconds. You get an email to this address that will have your license key and download information. You just download the program from that email. Skylum, you enter your email address and your license key, and you have Skylum 3 or Luminar 3 to 2018 for free. And I will show you all how to use that at a later date, different video. My second favorite must-have, which is a completely free app, but you can give donations, is this here, the Sequator. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I gotta see if there we go. And this is an amazing photo stacker when you do astrophotography to reduce noise in your images. And I highly recommend this app. And since it's free, it can't get any better than this. And it gives you 16-bit TIFF outputs if you want to, which I recommend you do. So both of these programs, I'm going to show you just the interface of Sequator here. This is how it looks. So now if you had a bunch of images, you just drag them in here, and then you go down here and you can change whatever you do, what you want to do. And I'm going to show you this in a separate video or separate videos. And then just to show you that the Skylum, the Luminar 3 works, here it is. Opens up, takes a second. You can open your image and you can open your batch processing. And I'm just going to open the sample image here. Here you can see you get these presets coming with here. I have made some of my own presets for some tests I did. This is just how you edit, how I would wanted to have a few panorama pictures edited, the raw format, and so I can stack them into my panorama after. It's not really stacking, but you can photo merge them. So let me know what your favorite companion apps are, and check these out. I don't know how long this Luminar 3 will be available from the German side, but that's the only where I found it where you can get it for free. And if you're like me, you like free stuff, so go check it out. I'll talk to you all in a little bit.